Hello, I'm Mr. Smith, and together we're going to find out what happens when we find one more and one less than a number. Do you like to count? You do? Me too. Here are some apples. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3. That's right, there are 3 apples. If I add one more apple, how many apples are there now? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 apples. One more than 3 is 4. When we say more, we are adding to our number. And when we add one more, it makes our number bigger by 1. 3 and one more makes 4. 4 is one more than 3. Shall we try another example together? Excellent! This is a number line. Can you find number 7 for me? Oh, thank you. If I add one more to 7, it makes 8. We can see that by adding one more to any number on the number line, we hop to the next one. Let's try another. Can you find number 2 for me? Ah, yes, there it is. What does 2 and one more make? 3, that's right. We can write 2 and one more as a number sentence. 2 and one more makes 3. So we're now confident finding one more than a number. But what happens when we want to find one less than a number? Here are some cheeky monkeys. How many can you see? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well done, there are 7 cheeky monkeys. If one monkey leaves, so there's one less monkey, how many monkeys are there now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 less than 7 is 6. Less means take away. So when we say one less, we take one away from the number we started with. We can write this as a number sentence. 7 subtract 1 equals 6. Are you ready to put your knowledge to the test? Oh, let's do it! This is a number line. Can you find number 6 for me? Thank you. 1 less than 6 is 5. 1 less means taking away one of something. We can see that by taking 1 from any number on the number line. We hop to the number next to it. Go on, it's your turn. Here is the number 3 on the number line. What is 1 less than 3? 2. Fantastic! 1 less means taking away one of something. Well done, I knew I could count on you. Hey, our games don't need to end there either. Why not try counting your socks or pencils and seeing how many you've got left if you add one more or if you've got one less? Go on, enjoy. For more help, challenges and games on this subject, visit Bite Size.